22, outer power. So this is quite a complex little illustration here. I am going to do my absolute best in breaking it down verbally. So Eum is presenting there are 4 steps to utilizing outer power. The first one starting with focusing your attention on the plate. So as transurfers, we like to focus our attention on the plate. We have to be in the center screen for this to happen. And holding on to that sensation allows us to remain in our center screen for a long enough period of time where we can move on to step 2. This is composing the goal frame through drawing the picture of your future. So this is you illuminating the frame via your plate. This is a very, very effective practice in creating your own reality. So 3, outer power, outer intention, which ultimately is meta power. So what is meta power exactly? What a curious term. Well, we are used to using 2 forms of power in our lives primarily. The first one being the power of thought, and the second being the power of force or the power of action. But now, as transurfers, we have the ability to utilize a 3rd source of power. This is meta power. This is us creating reality via our usage of outer intention. This is us creating reality with activated plates, playing our slides, envisioning that future frame, all of that stuff, almost all of what transurfing and Tufti is about is using meta power, this very, very strong, very effective 3rd choice of power. So there's a reason why in the transurfing modality, we like to focus heavily on shifting over from using inner intention to using outer intention, because using outer intention is much more energy efficient and it also creates better results. So 4, replace with another film. So I think what she's talking about here is the ability to switch scripts. So if you decide that you want an end goal for yourself and that's not available on your current script, that you will activate your plate, compose your goal frame through drawing the picture of your future in your mind. This is illuminating the frame, seeing the frame. This is you utilizing outer intention, which could help you further yourself to finding a new script, switching out the script entirely, and ultimately leading you to that future frame of your intention. So stay tuned for 23, Paper Person.